Hi, I'm Keith Bundy, and I'm going to show you how a totally blind computer user using a screen reader can access insurance quotes. One site will be very accessible, but the first site will be not quite as accessible, and you'll be able to see the difference as I go through these sites. So I'm on the first site, and I'm going to go to the Start Quote button.
Geolocation Start Quote button. Enter.
And I've hit that button. You hear my screen reader in the background, JAWS for Windows, and the form comes up that says first name. So I'll type in my name.
Keith, tab. Last name, edit.
Last name.
Bundy, tab. Edit.
Now, there's a blank edit field. I don't know what they want. I would have to do quite a bit of manipulation to find out. I think it's address, so let me check.
Virtual PC link help / address.
Yes, it is the address.
Enter.
But a beginning or intermediate user might not know to take the steps I did to find out. So I'll type in my address here.
9. Street, tab, apt edit.
There's an apartment number edit field. They have that accessible.
Tab, zip code edit.
They want the zip code.
57042, tab, edit.
Now there's another blank field.
Tab, / edit.
And another blank field with a slash. I take it that wants my birth date, but you see the screen reader doesn't really tell you what it wants, what the page wants. And so that becomes very frustrating for a screen reader user. Now let's switch over to a site that is very, very accessible.
Suffix combo box collab.
And I want to go down to Start the Quote here.
First name edit, Owen. Enter.
And that's for my first name.
Select E, tab. Region MI edit. O, tab. Region last name edit.
Now this says region before every field. That's because it's divided into regions in the programming, and that's okay, because if you know that, at least you know what the fields are supposed to be.
Die, tab. Region suffix combo box. None.
I don't have a suffix on my name.
Tab. Region date of birth edit required invalid entry. Use JAWS key + Alt + R to read descriptive text.
All right, this one's my birth date, so I'll type that in.
/01/1957, tab. Region street address edit required invalid.
Now that was very clear about wanting my street address.
8, 11th Street, tab. Region unit number edit, tab.
Unit number.
Region city edit required invalid.
There's our city.
Dyson, tab. Region state combo box required. SD, 4 tab. Region zip code edit required. Use JAWS key + Alt + R to.
And it says it wants my zip code, so I type that in.
42, tab. Information from a tab. View privacy policy tab. Continue button.
And you can see how easy that was to get to the continue button. So that's just an example of the difference between an accessible and an inaccessible form field when you come to trying to get an insurance quote.